Hello there and welcome back to another video. So today I am really excited because finally I'll be doing a tutorial on how I file and shape my nails. So it is one of the most requested videos that I get, especially on my comments. So yeah, finally I'll be doing it and let's begin. So I will be using this EEE 100 and 180 grit hand file. So I'll be using this, but I just want to quickly show you what to do if you have a new hand file. So using your old hand file, remove that sharp new edges. So honestly, I didn't know about this one when I was still starting. So I really did cut my skin a lot of times before because those edges are really sharp when it is new, so make sure to do that step. So I won't be using that new file because this one still works perfectly, and what I love about EEE hand file is that they last very long and they are super sturdy, so I highly recommend getting this one. So as you can see, I am just starting with the sides. This is how I typically do my shaping. I start with the sides first. So yeah, I'm just going to file and shape the sides first, and then next would be the tips or my free edge. I'll be doing that too, and then lastly I'll be doing the surface. So if you have noticed my past videos, I really don't do like a filing and shaping, or I usually say I'm just going to file and shape my nails off cam and I'll be back because it is really hard to film a shaping video, or should I say it is difficult to stay in focus while doing filing and shaping. So yeah, just a heads up, there are some part of the video that I am out of focus or I am blurry, so I'm sorry about that one, but yeah, I try to as much as possible be at focus at all times so that you can see what I am doing. So going back to the filing, I am now shaping my tips. I am actually not wearing an artificial tips. I am just wearing a builder gel, but as much as possible I want the free edge, or I want the tip of my nail to be straight. And it's a little bit hard for me to shape my thumb because, as you can see, I'm not really sure if you're seeing this, but I have a crooked thumb. Sometimes I thought it is straight already, but when I look closer, it is still not because I really have a crooked thumb. But for my left hand, my problem is my pinky. I also have a crooked nail on my pinky. So yeah, let me know if you also have a crooked nails. Anyways, I don't have any problems with that. I just deal with it and try to like angle my nails every time I do nail fees. So yeah, it's just a matter of how you work with what you have and just be confident with what God has given us. So yeah, I'm so proud with my nails even though they are not perfect, and I am not afraid of showing it to you because yeah, I just want to be myself and be true to who I am. So right now I am trying to file the sides a little bit thinner, and I am kind of bringing it forward or towards the center so that I want a nice curved effect on my nails, if that makes sense. So it is really important to encapsulate your colors, meaning to say apply clear dip powder after you do all your colors and glitters, so that when you do your filing and shaping, you won't be removing those colors and you still have like a protective layer. But then again, I am not telling you to do this or to do that. It's actually a matter of preference because some people I know, they just apply a thin layer or another layer of dip base and let it fully dry, and that's it. They don't apply like clear dip powder. So it's really finding what will work for you, but for me, this has been my routine. I love to put clear dip powders on almost all of my colors and glitters. So right now I am satisfied with how this nail looks like. So I'll be using this thin metal file to perfect my cuticle area. So I want to have like a gap in between my nail and my skin so that it looks natural. So I always use this thin metal file. So what I do is remove those extra dip powders that are sticking near my cuticle area. So I'm just trying to be gentle because of course that is your skin. As much as possible, we don't like to apply a lot of pressure or scratch our skin, so be careful when doing this step. And I actually also use the one from Bonafide Beauty, the glass files they have, so I use that as well, but for now I'm just going to use the metal file. So yeah, doing this step will also make your nails look more clean and even. So now I am done with my thumb. I'm just going to do my pointer finger. Since I have a glitter, I just want to show you how I file also my glitters, because sometimes it is a bit tricky. You really have to be careful when filing your glitters, because when you file too much, the tendency is that you will scratch those nice glitters. So again, that is the importance of clear encapsulating your colors and glitters, so that when you do all your filing and shaping, you won't remove them. So as per usual, I always start on the sides, making sure that they are on shape and I achieve the shape that I want. And after the side, I start with the surface. So this, you should be careful when filing it. I just file it lightly, and later on I'll just do some buffing works. Honestly, it is more difficult for me to file and shape shorter nails. Like my other hand, they are long, so I have like more space to maneuver my hand file. Unlike for the shorter nail, sometimes the file is slipping and it's more hard to kind of position the file. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's only me, but let me know if you also have like difficulty filing and shaping shorter nails. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch. I'll be doing my middle finger as well to show you how I do that, and I will be back. this is after I did the 3 nails. I'll be doing the rest of it off cam, and after that I am now going to use this buffing block. So again, this is my favorite buffing block. It is from Triple D. I love it. It is sparkly. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up those sparkly glitters, but I love that. So I am just lightly buffing my nails and making sure to remove the scratches that I got from hand filing a while ago. I mostly buff the underside of the nails, the sides, because those areas tend to be super sharp after you file them. So make sure to taper it down using the buffing block so that you don't have like a sharp edges. So again, I did not fully buff the surface of my nails because I want to leave a rough surface so that my gel base and gel top has something to adhere to. So I just removed those extra dust, washed my hands, and this is after I did that. So I just noticed right now that I overly filed this side and it removed some of the colors, but I think it's just minimal, and I think it still works. But just in case that you are bothered with that or you really removed a lot of color, I just do the gel method. I apply gel base and then pour over some of the colors and cure it in the lamp. After that, I just buff the surface again and you'll be good. So right now, I am already applying top coat. This is from Triple D. It is their delicate 2-in-1 gel base and top coat. So I'm just going to apply this and fully cure it in the lamp for about 60 seconds. So for the colors that I use, I forgot to mention that I use Reason Legacy newest color. I believe this will be released on June 7. It is called Fancy. The Fancy is the glitter and the solid purple is Born to be Wild. So that one is a glow in the dark color. It is really super pretty. So yeah, I am just going to put all the details and all the links of where you can purchase the products that I use today. So now I am just applying Scales of a Mermaid, cuticle oil, and we're almost done. And this is the final look. I hope this video will help you, and yeah, I'll be putting all the products in the description box. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!